the church, that's a beautiful little lambs on the left and right everywhere. You'll see them.
It's springtime.
Lots of lambs.
Twins.
Yes, you'll see twins. You may see the different coloured ones too. You may see some. We have black lambs and occasionally you see the brown ones. And you can see Tingwall's very fertile here. A lot of lovely green fields here. And the farmers take their sheep in nearer when they're lambing, so it's easier to keep check on them. They're not up in the hill. But the native Shetland sheep are very hardy. They're like the ponies and the people. They're really hardy. So they're left up in the hill and they can land themselves. They don't really need much help, but sometimes more of these crossbreeds, they need help. Some of them from the crofters to birth. And they'll all stay there